What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Well, I wasn't planning on recording a video today, but we got some pretty exciting news going. But before we get into that, make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, hit notifications, all that other stuff YouTubers say before they start their YouTube videos. Alright, so the first bit of good news is we finally got 1,000 views on one of our videos. So first time ever, shot up. Hopefully we can keep that momentum up, and that helps us work our way into the YouTube algorithm. A lot of that comes from you guys, and not only clicking the views, but also hitting the like button. That lets YouTube know that this video is worth watching, and it kind of helps boost us in that search function. If you're a subscriber to the channel, definitely thank you. And if you're not a subscriber, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. We're still doing our giveaways every 500 subscribers that we get. Last giveaway was an energy steering wheel. This giveaway, I don't know, I'm thinking maybe a draggy GPS system, or maybe we'll go back with an interior feature like a steering wheel. So if you haven't been following 2J build, I have almost an entirely Brian Crower exclusive valve train. Springs, retainers, locks, all Brian Crower, and I ended up switching to a set of stage 3 or the 272 duration cams. But when I was installing the cams, I had a little accident. Case in point, I started to torque my bolts down on my camshaft before I double checked the orientation on it. I followed the right torque sequence, I just didn't have the cam positioned the right way, and well, I've got a broken cam. Brand new Brian Crower 272 cams. Now, if snapping your camshaft wasn't bad enough, it could not have come at a worse time. I was on a deadline to try to make the streetcar takeover, and those cams were at the moment unavailable from Brian Crower. So I reached out to all the retailers that I could think of. I tried contacting Brian Crower directly using their contact us feature on the website. For whatever reason, it just didn't line up, or it didn't make it into their inbox or QA soon enough, and I ended up getting my camshaft, single exhaust camshaft from Throttle Performance. So me being me, making fun of the mistakes that I make, I threw a picture up on Instagram, which if you're not following me on Instagram, it's at harrison.peck.89, as well as at Skunkwerks Projects. Shameless plug. But anyway, I tossed the picture up. I put in the description or whatever that, hey, this wasn't a fault of Brian Crower at all. And I didn't think anything of it. I tagged them in it just because it's still showing off their products, and it was a good way to get a little chuckle out of it because I genuinely enjoy their products. Well, fast forward the next day, I get somebody from Brian Crower, for whoever manages their social media page, and the DMs for both of my accounts, both the Skunkwerks and my personal account, and the guy could not have been nicer. He gave me his personal email to contact him directly if I ever needed anything. He tried to work out getting me a new cam, but I told him, hey, I don't need it anymore. I've already got another one. And to me, that was going to be the end of it. I genuinely appreciated him trying to reach out to me and take care of me. I love when companies have good customer service like that. And I've been really fortunate in having a great experience with most of the vendors and retailers that I deal with. But Brian Crower went above and beyond. They decided that they were going to send me a care package. And yeah, I just want to share it with you guys. I've never seen what's in there. I don't know what's in there. But let's open it up and see. Oh man, sweet. So got 2 snapbacks. Full disclosure, obviously not sponsored by them at all, but if you guys like this video enough and tag them in it, I don't know, maybe they'll let me join the team. So 2 snapbacks, got ourselves a t-shirt, Okay, got the logo. So that's pretty nice. Love the black and white theme. That goes great with our logo. And let's see. Oh yeah. Heck yeah. Nice run, BC. Let's see, what should we... I might have to move the TV and throw this up here. So there you have it. I don't know, what do you guys think about the care package? I personally love it. I know somebody is going to see this and go, that's free advertisement for them and they're not paying you. And whatever, man. I am more than happy to support good companies, especially companies that I already use. So, Brian Crower, if you're watching this, thank you. I really appreciate it. Definitely going to put this to good use. Oh, and if you ever want to work together on one of our giveaways for every 500 subscribers that we get, send me another message on the through Instagram. You got my email. Oh, I'm kidding. You're not watching this. But to the rest of you guys who are watching this, subscribe to the channel. Maybe I'll buy something from Brian Crower and I'll give it to you. That's it for today. Again, surprise video. Well worth it. Till next time.